Yes, good day. Welcome back everyone. Welcome to THINKALLY tutorial. This is tutorial number 10, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you what you have been expecting. How do we add students onto the platform? I'm excited also about it because currently THINKALLY is Nigeria's largest school management software with over 1 million students currently using it, spread across about 1,000 schools in Nigeria. Now, I just want to show you very quickly that I am not in the interface for the schools. So for the demo school that we have been using, so let me log out and show you what the login, of course, which we have been doing, looks like. Galaxy password. Now, for every student on that you want to add on THINKALLY, there are certain information, of course, like you have been. They want just like our physical forms. Look at. Let me show you an example. Let me display some students currently enrolled on this particular. Look at the students. Let's pick this one for instance. Look at the student. See the profile page, and you could come here also to view the profile of the admin. But this is for the student. There are several segments on the profile page. The profile, you have the profile, you have the parent, showing you the parent. The routine here is the timetable, the attendance, details, marks, the scores of exams and tests, invoice, payment, document. You could upload certain documents specifically for this child for them to download at home to be viewable both by the student and by his or her parents. Skills, remarks. So let me just quickly show you how to add a student. I click on student, and then you see add student here. Add a student. That's where I'm going. The form here is a bit long, but you don't have to fill everything at once. You have name, which is compulsory, guardian, which is also compulsory. Name, let me put in something. Say I want to make use of one of the guardian. Say let me register another child for Mr. and Mrs. Smith, or a child for Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Remember Mr. and Mrs. Smith we created when I was showing you how to add parents. So let me call the name of a child George Smith. Select the guardian, the date of birth. Don't forget that that's a calendar there. That makes it quite easy. The child is a male, a boy. All of these are not compulsory. Blood group, you could not compulsory, but if you want to, no problem. Email address, phone number, address, state, country, but class compulsory. I'm registering that class student into JSS1, the class I created just a while ago while I was teaching you how to create classes. Section, again, automatically the system shows you the sections, or if you like, arms that have been assigned to that class. Here's only one we have here. Admission number. So admission number here, Galaxy 001 002. Roll number is just something like a numeric as a student ID. That's what we call it. That's how we put it here. It could be anything, but it has to be a number. Photo of the child. Yeah, let me pick this one since he's a boy. Extracurricular activities not compulsory. Remarks not compulsory. Username, yes. Let me call the child's username George Smith. And then I'm not going to tell you the password. Okay. add student. So as you can see, I just added a student. Successful, yes, good, great. But where is the child? Oh, no, nothing is lost. Don't worry. Just check here. In that JSS1, there is only one child yet. You can view, you can edit, you can delete, and you can view. So, and that happens, that is the same for every user you have been adding. As we're going to talk about that in one or two, how to edit, how to view, edit, or delete any user. So let me view the child I just added. So you see the beauty of THINKALLY. At a glance, you see everything about that child: his parents, his timetable, no timetable yet, attendance, marks, none yet, invoice, none yet, payment, none yet, document, no document yet, skill, remark, and all of that. Thank you very much for attending this tutorial. In the very next tutorial, what am I going to be showing you? I'm going to be showing you how to add, yes, how to add assignments. Great. So see you in the next tutorial.